Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our channel. If you're watching for the first time, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also don't forget to hit the bell icon to get all our notifications. So in this vlog we are going to Interlaken. So we are staying in Beatenberg Park Hotel. So this is a little away from Interlaken. So this is Interlaken. So compared to Interlaken, here the hotel rates prices are a bit lesser, so we have taken here. So from here we are going to Lauterbrunnen, and from Lauterbrunnen we are traveling to Kleine Scheidegg to we are traveling to Iseltwald. So let's check out. This is our park hotel. So this is the room where we are staying, and hotel staff given us a beautiful view. So yeah, let's check out our room. So here we are staying for 3 days in Interlaken. So from here we are exploring other parts of Swiss. So this was the view from our balcony around 12 p.m. or 1 p.m. I didn't check out the time properly, but look at the beautiful view. Actually, the moon rays are falling on the mountain, and it was literally snow white and very quiet and very peaceful, and literally the air is coming in like very pleasant view. Actually, I just enjoyed the view at around 1 p.m. I didn't sleep, so I just want to show you guys. So here we came to Interlaken, some DDLJ spots, Dilwale Dulhania Le Jayenge spot. So this is really very beautiful space surrounded by mountains. Yash Chopra is the brand ambassador of Interlaken. So post DDLJ there were many other movies shot here, but DDLJ remains in everyone's heart. So let's explore. So this is most popular spot, DDLJ, where Shahrukh along with his friends tease Kajol here. So this is the spot. So now we are heading to most iconic spot, Yash Chopra statue spot, which is located at the casino. So let's go. So we can just explore the Interlaken roads, which is full of shopping with all the brands. And this is the 5-star hotel, looking very pretty from outside, and these are all the shops. So the next day we are heading to Lauterbrunnen. So let's go and explore Lauterbrunnen. So little one is posing with us. Yeah, and we are heading to Lauterbrunnen now. And actually we went in December, which is the off season for Swiss. So most of the waterfalls were shut down, and so we just went to Lauterbrunnen, and just right back to the Lauterbrunnen station we have Starbuck Falls. So we are heading to Staubbach Falls. So this is all the Starbuck beautiful waterfalls. So it is like literally snow is falling down. Quite good place to spend some time. It's full of mountains and very peaceful town, you can say. Yeah, now we are heading to Kleine Scheidegg. So Kleine Scheidegg is a mountain with 2061 meters height, and located between Eiger and Lauberhorn peaks. Kleine Scheidegg is the center of the ski area of Grindelwald and Wengen. So it is the best place to visit during summer. A lot of ski activities will be going on here. So here we can rent all the ski accessories, and we have trainers as well. So they'll train us like for half an hour or 1 hour, and then we can ski all the area, and then we can enjoy our day. So there we spent like half a day, quite some time, and we are heading to Iseltwald. So we are checking out a cute lake. Yeah, let's go. So yeah, here we reached Iseltwald. So this lake is Lake Brienz. So it is really very beautiful lake. So we have spent our evening here. So this is a beautiful lake. We can see there is an entrance for the viewpoint, but we have to put a coin if you want to get through that path. So there was a popular South Korean Netflix series Crash Landing on You. That series, some part of it shooted here. So that's why maybe they have kept this entrance charges. So rest of it is really very beautiful. We can enjoy the quiet lake and the mountains surrounded by that. Jitarth and Jatvik had a really good evening there. So they were obsessed with the mountain goat and they really enjoyed this place. And I hope you liked this video. So yeah, this is all about our Lauterbrunnen vlog. I feel it is quite worth if you visit on summer. So yeah, that's it about this vlog. So please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys. Bye bye until next time.